Thabari ya gukinyaniria riboti ya BBI nirerega kurugorio ni Mutongoria wa bũrũri Uhuru Kenyatta undu mwena Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga irahanite terambia gutumana thutha wa atongoria kwendekithia riboti ino ya behingũrwo na andu aria mataiganĩire metekirio kuheana mawoni mao.
And generally, as the statement says,
no riu Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga ni akinyireirie barabara ya gukinyaniria riboti ino ni theru na kwambiriria kiumia giukite mamwe ma makinya ma kumikinyaniria ni mekwambia gutacukio na njira igwete.
There are of course those naysayers, and they are always there, even in the Bible.
Akiaria thutha wa mucemanio na mangabana kuma mwena wa Nyanza na Western no gwikinyitio ni Minister wa gutiri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i undu mwena Minister wa taburukia wa makinya Eugene wa Malwa Raila niaugite ni mehariirie gutungana KIHARO na riothe makoretwo makiuga ni megutungia riboti ino uregani guku akiuga matiracoka na thutha.
And even last time when we had the 2010 constitution, there were those who came out with excuses. They said that that document was legalizing abortion. That document was introducing gay marriages, and that it was criminal to have the Kadhi's court in our constitution.
Agitetera mendekithia maria maheanitwo riboti-ini ino Raila ningi ni onekire gukirira munini wa Mutongoria wa bũrũri Dagitari William Ruto uria ukoretwo akiendekithia mamwe ma mendekithia ma riboti ino mamurikwo weru.
The bloated government, no one is bloating the government by introducing the position of the Prime Minister and two deputies. Some of you were around when we had the Grand Coalition government, where there was a Prime Minister and two deputies.
Kwambiriria muthenya wa rucio Raila Odinga gukorwo ari na kiheri kia micemanio na atongoria matiganite kumauha manyite mbaru riboti ino naguo muthi wa kana kiumia giki arugorie mihango ya kungania thairi milioni 1 iria irendekana kuma kuri muingi niguo kuhura cabi thabari ya referendum guku bũrũri-ini.
We are convinced that the BBI document is a vast improvement on the Constitution of 2010.
Na thutha wa gutongoria magavana othe 47 kuga mahota watongia uregani riboti ya BBI kuona ndimarũmbũyĩtie rũmũikarĩrĩte wa kanjũ ya magavana Wycliffe Oparanya ni onekanĩte gũcenjia mũrũgamo kũrĩanĩrĩire marĩ thutha wa riboti ĩno igana kwa igana.
As Council of Governors, we met in Naivasha 2 days ago, and we looked at the document in detail, and I can assure you and assure Kenyans that Kenyans have more to benefit from this document.
Everybody here approves without reservation the draft document.
Wona mihango ya ugania wa thairi milioni 1 ya beredia igukorwo igikara kwa ihinda ria thikũ 30 na wona yarĩkĩrĩra thairi ici ciothe igatwarirwo ABC niguo marore ukinyaniru wacio mbere ya mihango ya referendum itafanĩtio mwaka ukite.